equal. Okay, second one, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, that means isosceles એટલે કે સમદ્વિબાજુ ત્રિકોણ, એટલે કે એવો ટ્રાયંગલ કે જેની કોઈ પણ બે સાઇડ્સ છે એના મેઝરમેન્ટ ઇક્વલ હોય. The triangle which have two sides equal, that is known as isosceles triangle. So here I will write that here two sides equal, right? To any two sides, any two sides of triangle are equal, right? So that is known as isosceles triangle. In the same way, as I told you, if we ask about the equilateral triangle, that known equilateral triangle એટલે કે સમબાજુ ત્રિકોણ, એટલે કે જે ત્રિકોણની ત્રણેય બાજુઓ સરખી હોય એને કહેશું આપણે સમબાજુ ત્રિકોણ, એટલે કે equilateral triangle. So here all sides are equal. The measurement of all sides are equal, so that is known as equilateral triangle. So this is the types of triangle based on the length of its sides. In the same way, we can also discuss about the types of the triangle based on the measurement of angles. For example, if we ask about the acute angle triangle, that is if any triangle have all angles are less than 90, then that kind of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. In the same way, we can discuss about the obtuse angle triangle. We can discuss about the right angle triangle which have the one angle that is 90 degree, which is known as right angle triangle, and obtuse angle, that is any one angle, measurement of any one angle of that triangle that is greater than 90, which is known as obtuse angle triangle. So we can also discuss about that types of the triangle, but here we are also discussing we are only discussing about the measurement of the sides. So here we will mainly discuss about the scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Also the right angle triangle is also important for the exam, that is any one angle is right angle, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle. So let us now discuss about some example which is based on this kind of example, which is on types of the triangle. Let us discuss about the example first. Okay, if the example is, the question is, so that find, the question is find x if 1 2 3 4 and x5 are vertices of right angled triangle. Okay, find the value of x if 1 2 3 4 and x5 are vertices of right angled triangle, right? So here let a 1 2 b 3 4 and c x5, right? So here if we want to find the value of x when the this triangle is a right angle triangle, so if this angle is this triangle is a right angle triangle, then any one angle of this triangle that is 90 degree. If for example a is a right angle, then using the Pythagoras theorem we can say that ab square plus ac square, that is equal to bc square. So in any type first we need to find the distance between AB, BC and AC. So, and if we want to use the Pythagoras theorem, then we need to find AB square, BC square and AC square first. So let us find first AB square. We are taking square here, so here we will not write the square root because square and square root cancel out. So here AB square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here this is 3 minus 1 whole square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square, that is y2 minus y1 whole square. So here 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 2 square, that is equal to 4, and here 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2, and 2 square, that is equal to 4, right? So here 4 plus 4, okay, 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Here A is 1 2, B is 3 4 and that is x5. Okay, so AB square is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Here BC square, that is equal to, here B is equal to 3 4 and C is equal to x5. So here x minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 4 whole square, right? This is the x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here we will get x square minus 6x plus 9, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1, and 1 square is equal to 1. So after all we will get x square minus 6x plus 10. Here AB square, this one is BC square. Now take AC square. So here AC square, that is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So we will get here x AC square, that is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 and 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 3 square, that is equal to 9. So we will get x square minus 2x plus 10. So in this way we can find the AB square, BC square and AC square. Now if A is the right angle, then we can say that AB square plus AC square, that is equal to BC square if A is 90. So AB square, that is equal to 8 plus AC square, that is equal to x square minus 2x plus 10, and BC square, that is equal to x square minus 6x plus 10. So now this is x square and x square is cancel out, so, and here 8 minus 2x plus 18, that is equal to minus 6x plus 10. So now if I take minus 6x this side, then that is the plus 6x. So we will get 6x plus minus 2x. Here this is 10 and 18 will come in this side, so that is minus 18. So 6x minus 2x, that is equal to 4x, and this one is equal to 10 minus 18, that is equal to minus 8, right? So here x is equal to minus 8 by 4, that is equal to minus 2. So in this case, if the angle A, that is the right angle, in this case we will get x is equal to minus 2. In the same way, if the angle B is right angle, in the same way we can find the value of x if B is right angle. In the same way, if the angle C is right angle, by using the same procedure we can find the value of x. So if any angle of any triangle is a right angle triangle, so we have three possibilities, which angle depends on which angle is a right angle. So in three ways we can use Pythagoras theorem, and we can find the unknown variable, right? So in this way we can use the distance formula as well. Let us look at one more example which is based on the distance formula. Let us look at one more example which is prove that the triangle with vertices A, which is -2 and 6, B, which is which is 12 and 8, and C, which is question is C is 6 and 0. So here if we find this is the prove that the triangle with vertices -2, 6, 12 and 8 and 6, 0 is isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, so we need to prove that this triangle with vertices -2, 6, 12, 8 and 6, 0, which is the triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. So in this example what will we do? We do that we first of all find the distance between all three sides, which is AB, then BC, then CA. So if any distance between any two sides is equal, then this triangle is isosceles triangle, and if the square of any two sides is equal to the square of the third side, then this angle will be right angle triangle. So here we need to prove two things. First thing, that is the two sides will be equal, and the second thing, that the angle is a right angle triangle. So let us look at here. First of all we find AB square. So here AB square, that is equal to, this is 12x2 minus x1, so 12 plus 2 whole square, and plus here 8 minus 6 whole square, right? So this is x2 minus x1, so 12 minus 2, that is 12 plus 2 whole square, plus here y2 minus y1, that is 8 minus 6 whole square. So this one is equal to 14 square, plus this one is equal to 8 minus 6, that is 2 square, that is equal to 4. Okay, so this is 196, which is the square of 14, and 2 square, that is equal to 4. So answer will be equal to 200, right? Answer is 200, which is the square of AB. In the same way, let us find BC square. So here we will find BC square, that is equal to 6 minus 12 whole square, 6 minus 12 whole square, plus 0 minus 8 whole square, right? That is x2 minus x1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6, the square of minus 6, that is equal to 36, plus 0 minus 8, that is equal to minus 8, and square of minus 8, that is equal to 64. The addition of this one, that is equal to 100. So here AB square is equal to 200, BC square is equal to 100. In the same way, now we will find AC square. So here AC square is equal to, that is 6 plus 2 whole square, because we have here x2, that is 6 minus 2, that is 6 plus 2 whole square, plus 0 minus 6 whole square, right? So we will write here plus 0 minus 6 whole square. So here this is equal to 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8, 8 square, that is equal to 64, plus 0 minus 6, that is minus 6 square, that is equal to 36. So that is also equal to 100. So what we get here? Here we get that AB square is equal to 200, BC square, that is equal to 100, and AC square, which is also equal to 100. Here BC square is equal to AC square, that means BC is equal to AC, right? Implies BC is equal to AC. So we have two sides equal, BC is equal to AC. So the triangle is isosceles triangle, right? Because two sides are equal, so this triangle is isosceles triangle. Moreover, here if we add BC square plus AC square, moreover BC square plus AC square, that is equal to 100 plus 100, it is equal to AB square, that is equal to 200. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. So BC square plus AC square, that is equal to AB square. So here this angle C is a right angle, because BC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. So angle C is a right angle, so the triangle is a right angled triangle. So implies triangle ABC is right angled triangle. So we have proved that A, B and C are the vertices of isosceles right angled triangle, right? So here our question is to prove that these vertices are the vertices of the isosceles right angled triangle. So we prove that the triangle with the vertices -2, 6, 12, 8 and 6, 0 is the vertices of isosceles